So you want to secure your privacy and lock your Facebook profile from prying eyes, but you don't know how to. Well, I got you. But before doing anything, make sure you're updated to the latest version of the app. After that's done, open the app and look for the profile icon that is located at the top right area. Click on it, and that should bring you to the menu of your Facebook profile. After that, check for the settings and privacy option, which is usually located below. Click on it, and that should bring up a range of options, including another settings option. Click on that again, and you're inside the Facebook settings. Scroll down to the audience and visibility section, where you'll find the profile locking option. Click on that, and you will be brought to a page explaining what locking your profile will do. Below, you'll also find the option to lock your profile. Press on that, and you've successfully locked your profile.